Guys, it has been a wild ride. We're up 106,000 on the year. Today on Amazon, we made $21.52, so a nice $2,000 gain on them. Amazon stock got destroyed at $228 per share. It was clear as day looking at this. We had resistance. I'll draw it out for you. For those that do not see it, right here is your resistance right across. Look at this. Massive rejection following right here on this rectangle. Rejected down. You had a point right here at 228, a support that broke right here at 228, and then rejected. It really offers an interesting opportunity. You look at Amazon stock selling off, and looking at that 1 month, we are trading into support, which is around that 210 area. Went as low as 207 today with that massive news with the tariffs. So China, $207. I'd be very interested if we can get a little bit of a further pullback. I know I'm being greedy, but if we can get to like 200 to 203, that would be an interesting play. Something that I will be looking forward to. Definitely keep me posted on what you are doing. I also just want to point out, Bitcoin died, 112,000. XRP went down to 1.5. Solana's at 186. ETH at 3,800. Crypto's really pulling back here, so definitely very interesting. Dutch Bros holding on there, holding that low at $47 per share. So there are definitely good buying opportunities here, but it is wild to see stocks can sell off pretty quickly, which they did. AMD selling off 242 down to 215. Let me know in the comment section below, did you buy the dip or are you waiting?